Zira, say good morning.
Bye-bye, Dada.
Bye-bye, Dada. Where is Dada?
Outside.
Outside. Say good morning, everyone. Say good morning. Ayan si Zelda. Andito na siya sa kanyang crib kasi dun sa bassinet niya hindi na siya kasya. Ang haba kasi nitong baby na ito eh. Si Zeta pinaglalaroan ito. Nakasabit-sabit dito sa crib ni Zelda. What is that? Is that an elephant? What's that?
What a fight.
Elephant? Oh no! Happy Saturday everyone! So merong mga viewers last time na nagtanong kung saan daw ba available yung books ni Mister, and meron din isa na parang gusto niya i-feature daw sa isang video namin yung mga books ni Mister para mga interesado sila. So tanungin natin si Mister about doon. So love, some of the viewers are interested about your books. Can you tell us something about it? When did you start writing books?
I started writing when I was 18.
So how many books have you written from that time that you started writing?
I've written 17 books.
17 books. What's your most favorite one? The most favorite one?
This one about the triplet serial killers because they're my favorite characters.
Can you tell them something about it?
I don't know. It takes place in, Florida and the Bahamas, and it's three brothers who become serial killers, and then they get caught and killed.
What was your inspiration to write that book?
I used to have kind of a vision of how they do like horror movies, but I had like in my head like a horror movie set in like tropical paradise.
And can you also tell them what's the genre of your books?
Some of them are science fiction, most of them are horror, some of them they're all kind of science fiction and horror and fantasy a little bit.
Why do you like writing fantasy, horror, or science fiction books?
That's just what you do. It's just what else am I supposed to do?
Yeah, so the other viewer was asking where to get it. Where is it available?
They're available on Amazon, but it can be kind of tricky. Sometimes they don't show up when you search for them.
Yeah, but we can just put the link on the description down below. So if you are interested about his books, you can just go ahead and check it out at Amazon. So you just finished another book, right? When are you planning to publish the last book that you've written?
And I'm done editing.
When do you think you're gonna finish editing?
I don't know, it takes a long time.
And last question, what is your vision about your books?
It's not a happy vision.
Why?
I envision that they will just disappear. Like I will disappear and the books will disappear and that's it.
What is your vision? Is that your vision? Is that what you wanted to
No,
happen?
what I want and what I envision are two different things. I want to be rich and famous.
Oh yeah, so let me correct myself. What do you want to happen to your books?
I want them to be, published by real publishers.
Why do you still keep writing, or why do you still continue writing?
And artists and choose to do it. I just have to do it.
Kain tayo guys ng lunch. Papakainin ko na lang si Zeta para hindi siya magkalat. Sit down! Ay, sit down. Sit down, baby. Happy dancing. Oh no, the baby is crying. Yum yum. Well, sit properly. So, ayan, once again, if you are interested about the books of my husband, ilalagay namin yung link sa description field down below kung saan sila available, which is sa Amazon, pero iba-iba kasing books yun. Para kung interesado kayo, ayun, mas madali nyo siyang mahanap. And then, i-haul ko lang pala sa inyo itong mga nabili ko sa Shein para sa fall season ng mga damit ng kids. May mga hindi pa dumadating, siguro mga 4 to 5 items pa yun. Pero yung majority, andito na. And, ayan siya, isang box. Na-check ko na ito, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. And yung nagastos ko dito, wala pang $200, mga $175. So, ito yung una. Hindi ko pa siya nalalabhan kasi nga papakita ko sa inyo. Para ito kay Zelda. Dalawang siya. Dalawang set. Ayan, pants. And this one, may kasama siyang hat. And then same na style lang, iba lang na design and color. Ayan. And ito yung pants and ito yung hat. Pwede na rin to pang winter. Medyo madami to. And then yung kaninang pinakita ko yung sa suot ni Zeta na pang loob na slippers. Hey! Kinukuha ni Zeta. Ito para kay Zeta, for 2 to 3 years old. Pants. And then, ayan. Cute, diba? Tapos, ito naman is sleep sack para kay Zelda kasi nga malaki na siya yung kanyang swaddle, hindi na medyo maliit na para sa kanya. So ayan. And then ito ay shoes para kay Zera. Hindi namin sila binibilhan ng mga branded na shoes. Namamahalan kasi ako. Size 8. Ayan. Ayan siya. Cute naman. Yung mga dumating, parang halos lahat para kay Zeta. So, ito 3 set siya ng mga pang lamig. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ito yung first. And this one. Tapos, ito yung isa, gray. Light gray. Yan. And then this one. And yung last ay brown. Ito yung pants. And yung top. So, ayan. And then ito kay Zeta din. Tatlong set din to. Alam ko na palang nabili. Mukhang okay na to kay Zeta. Hindi ko naman na siya bibilhan. Siguro si Zelda ang bibilhan ko pa. Ayan, ito yung first set. Dark gray. Kaya ito mga pangbahay pagka winter na. Kasi ngayong fall, hindi pa naman siya ganun kalamig. Ewan ko lang pagka mga last part na ng fall season. Pang labas din, pwede to. Ayan. Alas pare-parehas lang siya ng style. Iba lang ng design. And then this one, pink one. Ayan. Mamadali ako kasi umiiyak na si Zeta. Tapos ito, boots. Ayan. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Hindi ko nabubuksan. And then, ito para kay Zeta din. Lahat kay Zeta. Kasi recently naman, puro kay Zelda yung binibili ko. Ayan. And, ito yung pants. Lahat ng sizes ng kay Zeta is for 2 to 3 years old. And then, of course, para kay Zeta ulit. Ayan. Ito cute. Green na ganyan. Tapos ito yung pangloob. Ito yung pangloob niya. Yan. I think ito para kay ano na to. Para kay Zelda. Pang winter na sleep sack. For 6 to 9 months. Yan. And then, itong last. So, yung last 5 items or 4 items na parating pa lang is, lahat yun para kay Zelda na. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ito naman ay set din. Diba? Tatlong ano siya. For 3 to 6 months. Ayan, pink. Dahil mahaba kasi si Zelda. Yung mga binili ko na last time, hindi na, ano na siya. Medyo maliit na. Tapos, yan. Butterfly and then flowers. So, ayun. Yun yung aking mga na-order sa Shein. Pero kung titingnan mo, di ba, mas mulit siya kumpara sa kung sa mall ka bibili. So, ayun. Aantayin ko pa yung ibang mga parating. And, ayun. So, I guess tapusin ko na po ang video dito. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support and see you again next time. Bye!